artificial intelligence is transitioning the.
Yeah, I did that too, Kirby. It's okay.
Okay. Okay.
Um, but the other thing is it can be fun. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I have my HeyGen avatar saying some filthy, terrible things to some of my friends that I sent them as a text message video. And, it's absurd and it's awesome. And I am not going to show you on a recording. But if you text me, I might be willing to make one for you that is truly ridiculous. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pitch it over to Kirby. He's been waiting very patiently. He has some great things in our more, toned down chat GPT that is also actually going to be helpful in our processes, in our day-to-day business, and in what we're doing. So again, guys, what I would love for you guys to do is to push the boundaries with this, to try it, to work on it, and to circle back and tell us what your results were.
Cool. Thank you, Joe.
I've
And
never seen Kirby look so good, man.
I know. While Joe was doing his thing, I took the prompts and I started to make it. So I just made this right now, these ones, right?
I'm Kirby Chan. I'm Kirby Chan. I help Richmond Hill families downsize with ease so you can move forward to your next chapter stress-free. Let's make your next move your best one yet. I'm Kirby Chan. I help Rich.
So you see the same shirt I'm wearing, right? I just made the cameo now with the shirt and then with Joe's prompt here, did that. So this could be B-roll. I can send it to my video editor.
As with the
This one didn't work out, so sometimes it doesn't work out. You could just delete it. This guy doesn't look like me that much, so
You can also remember
yeah.
you can iterate on it. If you remix it,
You
you can make the small changes.
Yeah, you can make a small change. So every one of these, like if this one here, Joe looks too tall here. Way too
Whoa,
tall.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're excited to share how artificial intelligence.
Too tall. So I can go over here and go to remix. Right? When I go to remix, I can say make Joe shorter,
Yes.
make Kirby taller, right? I could do
Yeah.
that.
So Kirby's gonna say, make Joe waist height and it'll be
Okay,
more
so
accurate.
that's remix here. And what it does is just remixes it. Okay, you could put in another prompt. Over here, you could put in another prompt at the bottom and you could describe changes. So you could change the existing video. So that's why this is so fun, so powerful. And not only that, you can also remix other people's reels over here. I don't know, I still call them reels. But if you look at what other people have done,
Double tap on the video.
right? It'll say, I like this one, but I want me to be the guy cutting the hair. Then I can just go to remix and put Kirby is cutting the hair. That's it. Martin Luther King's here. Have a dream.
Kirby's the only person ever that would not realize it was Bob Ross and say he wants to, replace that gem instead of, the person getting their haircut.
Okay, so all that. So then if I publish it like this, people are going to see me and Joe here. The funny. Okay. Now, if Joe one day says, I don't want me to be here, he could revoke the permission or he could delete his cameo and this will be gone. All right. So play around with that. Let me just fix my browser and I'll come back. Just get rid of Sora. All right, let's go to the practical things that we need to work on every day, right? Which is listings. Who loves listings? I love listings. So look at my chat here. I have a project I call Kirby Chan and Co. You can see I've been busy this week. And if you want to see if your agents are busy, just check their ChatGPT, what they're working on. See here, CMA comparison, 11 Tamarack. Okay, I wanted to do a quick CMA on ChatGPT. I created a new chat. And it didn't take too long. Look, it wasn't that long. I just said, let's work on a CMA comparison for 11 Tamarack. Blah, 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 blah. I said, so I went to my MLS and I created a link with the comparables, okay? I sent that link in. It goes, yes, here's what I can pull from the listing. This is the comparable. Same house, model on the same street, listing price 1.288. 11 Tamarack is the exact same model, but has old basement, old kitchen, old bathrooms, right? So it makes a price range, right? It should be listed at this price. Then I gave it an update. 33 Tamarack sold for 1179. And then blah, 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 blah. So they were wrong over here, right? The pricing, it's way too high. It's sold, our market is dropping, right? So I gave them the listing. So you can post pictures here, you can post links to your listings. And then after that, it created a one-page CMA report for me, 1.1 to 1.15. I like it, yes. And it made me a CMA report. So I can download the 11 Tamarack CMA report. Okay, so what this means is like on my MLS, this is what it looks like. I pulled up all the sales, new, terminated, sold, all these listings. How do I pull it? I just press print, or I can create a link. Okay, so up to you guys what you guys want to do. But on my actions here, I can create a share link or a print. If I print, I make a PDF. And then when I go back over here to ChatGPT, I will upload the PDF. Okay. So I'm going to go to, let's see which one. So 11 Gordon Row, we did that already. Property valuation. Let's do the one for Strathgreen. Okay. Oh, I did it on the same one. Okay, so Strathgreen over here. So what I did was I went and I created that PDF. I'm going to upload now the comparables for Strathgreen. Okay, I'm going to upload it. I'm going to say here are the market activity for Keswick. So using the data, analyze the for what was it again? 61. Sure. All right, so it'll take the data, it'll analyze it for me. So in the old-fashioned way, what we used to do, me and Deb, we would go into the MLS, look at each property, make adjustments for each one, right? And figure out a market value. So in this new way of doing it is you upload the data of your subject property. You can even upload photos of your subject property when you go see it for the listing presentation. Bring it back, upload it here, okay? And then it will crunch the numbers here. So you see that? Okay. Now what you want to do now is you want to go back to your list. Let's say it's 21 Dorothy Kane. You want to find 21 Dorothy Kane right here. And you just want to see if it's correct, what it said. But this saves me a lot of time from looking at over 60 something comparables here. Okay. I'd rather look at it here. Okay. So estimated value here, blah, 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 blah. Post renovation 1.279, 1.299. And that's the number I gave to the seller. I said, 1.25 to 1.3 right now. And he wants to list the house at 1.388. Okay. And so total, well, that's, we're pricing it way higher, right? So there could be a chance you're not going to get any showings. Okay. So that's another conversation we're going to have after. All right, so this is how you would do your CMA. Has anyone done CMAs like this before?
I'm also wondering that you wouldn't break it down into the three pricing brackets, right? So doing a CMA using, your typical CMA using past data, doing a different CMA looking at the market absorption rate so that you could have a whole data print out of that, and then having a third little bracket showing the based on market-based pricing.